author is an incredible experience and can be extremely fulfilling, but at the same time, it can also be overwhelming and often lonely. If you're a new author, here are some things to keep in mind. Writers often expect their first draft to be perfect, but the truth is, the first draft is always messy and it's not even close to the final product. So give your draft time to breathe, return to it with fresh eyes, and trust editors to make it the best version that it can possibly be. A common misconception is that a lack of output means a lack of creativity, but oftentimes it only means that the writer is tired. So take all the breaks you need and explore new interests. Coming back to it with fresh eyes can help inspire new writing. While writing might seem like a lonely journey, it doesn't have to be. There are so many writing groups that you can join. Writing with other people can often shape better writing. Many writers are much harder on themselves than they need to be. If you are constantly doubting yourself, then ask the feedback of a friend or a family member. You might find that your writing isn't as bad as you think it is. As a writer, you need to be your biggest cheerleader. You need to constantly track your growth and progress. You can do this by reading your old work. It will give you an idea of how far you've come. Organizing your writing into proper folders is extremely important. Preserve all your writing because you never know when you will need access to what. Writers often feel guilty about not immediately documenting everything, but oftentimes the best writing comes long after the moment is past. Experiences will find their way into your work when the time is right. As a writer, you need to be open to new experiences. Say yes to everything because every experience contributes to the writer's toolbox. The process of writing comes with many hurdles, but keep at it. It's all going to pay off in the end. Most of us want overnight success, but it doesn't happen. Even the most successful writers face rejection after rejection when they started out. So think of your writing as a long-term investment. Even if it doesn't pay off immediately, it will pay off eventually. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!